This is Malta. Is this Guard?
Yes, sir, it is.
So please keep moving forward and prepare yourself for an exciting career in the built world of intercept. Are we all in? Good. For those who don't know me, I am Hongo Onaka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but work of an event and businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous load of your ship. And the resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission brief and try to work together now. Your lives.
My next two, we're going to join in with this group in the middle row. Next two coming here. My next four, hold tight right there for a moment. Next two coming here. My next six way right there. So we're going to have two single riders joining with this group right here in the back. So we got two pilots, two gunners, two engineers. So my crew is 6, you're gonna head all the way in.
You guys ever flown with us before? Alright, wonderful. If there's any part of the ship that you'd like to get a closer look at, please stand on those data pads. Now is the time.
So let's go. Go ahead on now.
Again.
Let's go, my friend.
It's not the same shit that you got. You got it on the first
We're gonna go side, that one, okay? Maybe you're gonna pull up and down, but it's gonna be a way. We're going down, going down. Oh my God. You guys gonna see more of that shit. It's really gonna shoot.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay?
Oh, okay. I just saw like CJ and like a different cast member too. And I was like, what's going on? Yeah. But
Alright, come on right over here, friends. So pilots, gunners, engineers.
That's it. So let's go. Head on down. Past the open door. So that part. You're gonna go side of that part, okay? You're gonna go up and down. First go down, first goes up.
Also went backwards.
Yeah. No. You're the easy job. Yeah, left goes left and right goes right. She has the backwards one at the door. So you're gonna go right here, my friend. Said come all the way forward. Or come all the way forward.
Yep, you guys are coming.
And now my gunners, you guys gonna see both red and blue buttons next to you. And of course you can't shoot. But hopefully you have to say pew pew when you hit buttons, okay?
Alright.
And my engineers, you have 2 jumps. You guys on
Wait,
forward.
so down goes up.
Good money, that's it. Good job, okay?
It's like traditional video games, right? Okay.
That's it. Now head on down, my friends.
Are we gonna crash if we mess up?
Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends. But be sure, I will be coming along.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
I got this. We got this. We don't got this.
Alright, bags on the ground, seat belts on for me, please. Now once we're buckled in, we can pull on those yellow tabs. Perfect. Very nice, excellent. Now pull on the yellow tab for me real quick. Perfect, we're ready to rock. Good luck out there, everybody. Hit those flashing buttons and go make us some money.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineers. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. That's it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Pull the lever.
Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Get behind the train.
There it is. After that train. Right engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the Cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, they can do something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train.
Perfect.
Yes, keep mashing those controls.
We're right there.
The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gosh. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Time for you to go. And don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
That was fun.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
That was awesome.